Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Halo Campaign Evolved and you keep getting this error status 0xc0e90002, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Halo Campaign Evolved easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up the Xbox app on your computer. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. And then you're going to go into your username here. You're going to click on to support then. Now you're going to click onto Gaming Services Repair Tool, click on Start Repairing them. Now it's going to complete this diagnosing and repairing process. It can take a minute or two. You're going to have to just wait for it. Once this whole process is done, you're going to click close on here and then you're going to sign out of your Xbox account. So click sign out here and now you're going to open up your Steam and then you're going to go to your games library. You're going to right click on Halo Campaign Evolved, click properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now what you're going to do is you're going to click browse on here to open up Halo's games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. Here it is, right click on the Halo Campaign Evolved EXE, click properties, compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your Xbox app again and you're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, you're going to minimize your Xbox app and you're going to go ahead and try to play Halo Campaign Evolved and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Peace.